What you doing? What's going on, son, bud? Is it snowing?
Sammy!
You say snowing? All right.
Sammy!
Ice. Caden left one of his balls outside. Avengers. And you're taking off your glove. Well, in fairness, you're trying to get your hands on the ball. It's cold, dude. You're going to want to put your gloves back on. Can't wait to work on our patio this spring. All right, here we go. Whee! One of the ropes broke, so kind of limited with our steering. Whee! All right, we're doing it. We're doing it. Woo! Whoa! We did it! We did it! Good morning, everyone. This is Cameron Fry coming at you with a brief winter weather update, Winter Storm Hunter update. As you'll know, we got more snow overnight. Not a whole lot. I mean, we're talking maybe 1.25 inches. I'm doing my latest measurement here. You can see the snow goes up just a little past the inch line. So maybe we'll say between 1 inch and 1.25 inches. But no, it shouldn't have. When I went to bed, the snow was supposed to taper off around 11 p.m. and it's still going. Just like it's flurries. It's barely even a snow shower. But you can see some of those darker clouds over there. You can probably get some snow showers under those lighter clouds. You get lighter snow, some flurry action. So I guess technically the forecast wasn't as much of a bust as it was looking like, 15, 18 hours ago. So, but it's the first snow in our new home. Very exciting. All right, we're back at it we're back at it today. Got a little bit more snow. Yesterday we were able to do just fine getting around on the sled in 1/2 inch because of the 1/4 inch of sleet freezing rain mixture underneath, so it provided a good sledding base. Now we got it about 1 inch, 1.25 inches of snow on top of that ice, so that will work around these parts. People bragging about 3-4 inches. Really, that only serves to cover the grass, and if you're into that, then kudos to you. But as far as sledding, you could make it work in this. So it doesn't take a lot of snow around these parts in the south to, go a long way and make the best out of it. So, all right, Sailor's excited. We're all excited. She's so happy. Love it. One more reason to love snow.